Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new rum cocktail using one of our amazing award-winning rums. This here is Jeff. I'm Robbie. Today, what are we making, Jeff?
We are gonna make our basil lemonade.
It's a classic, definitely
We're
a classic.
doing a twist on it. We're gonna do a strawberry basil lemonade.
So we're gonna make it a little fancier.
Exactly. This is what we drink all summer long. It's a fantastic, easy recipe, which I like.
Nice. All right, so for this drink, you will need strawberries,
Boom.
lemonade, and of course, our amazing first export, our Basil Carolina rum. So, to start this off, we're gonna put some strawberries in the glass,
All right.
and we're just gonna muddle those. You wanna do the honors?
Yep, I got you.
All right, so we've done that. Now we're gonna fill this glass with ice.
All right.
Add 2 ounces of our Basil Carolina rum.
Oh, Tom Cruise.
Let's see your local mixologist do that.
Yeah, right.
I mean, I'm sure they could.
What you know, Bob?
Then we're gonna top the glass off with some lemonade.
All right.
Actually,
Ooh, you're getting fancy.
I am gonna get fancy on this one. All right, she's about ready, huh?
All right.
Garnish that. That's our drink. Hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. Check out more of our YouTube Mixology Monday videos. The links for the recipe and our website and social media are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come out and take a tour, and cheers.
Cheers, friend.
Nailed it.
Oh, that's delicious.
Drinking this one.
That is that's dangerous. I can drink this all day. Yeah, that's great.
All day.
All day. All day.
So I'm Jake. I go to a bar. Hi. I'll have your basil lemonade, sir. Here's your basil lemonade.
Exquisite.
Oh, that's good.
Exquisite.
No, there's lemonade up here.
A lot of pulp.
I said pulp free!
I don't believe you.
Check it.
I don't believe you.
Shut up, Jeff.
Right there.
This is expired. This is expired. I'm Jeff. How's my hair?
Oof.